Today, we are on location at West 5 in London, Ontario, Canada, a remarkable community developed by Sifton Properties and widely recognized as one of Canada's most ambitious demonstrations of sustainable living. This is not sustainability as a slogan. This is sustainability built into streets, rooftops, walls, lighting systems, water systems, public spaces, local businesses, and the daily routines of people who live, work, shop, gather, and age in community. West 5 is especially important to our Sustainably SAJe conversation because it brings together the three dimensions of sustainability that are too often treated separately: social sustainability, environmental sustainability, and economic sustainability. The social dimension is front and center. West 5 is designed as a walkable, mixed-use neighborhood with shops, services, restaurants, residential options, gathering spaces, trails, events, and Legacy Square as a visible community heart. Its official site describes 350,000 square feet of shops, services, and restaurants, energy-efficient homes, and Legacy Square as a hub for trails, an amphitheater, and special events. But what makes West 5 so compelling is that many of its environmental benefits are not immediately obvious to the public. We can see solar panels, beautiful buildings, park space, and an inviting community square. But we may not see are the tighter building envelopes, increased insulation, reduced thermal bridging, smart energy systems, solar facades, green roofs, lighting controls, water strategies, and building-to-building energy thinking that make the neighborhood function as a living sustainability system. Natural Resources Canada describes West 5 buildings as a net zero design, using those tighter envelopes, more insulation, and reduced thermal bridging with distributed solar photovoltaic arrays forming part of the project's energy approach. This three-part series asks a practical question. What happens when sustainability leaves the abstract world of policy documents and becomes part of the built environment? At West 5, sustainability is not only about reducing emissions. It is about designing a community where people can connect, businesses can operate, energy can be generated locally, public space can create belonging, and environmental innovation can make economic sense. That is why West 5 is such a powerful case study for Sustainably SAJe. It shows that sustainable development is not one decision, one technology, or one building. It is a whole system design challenge. In this episode, we will look beneath the surface. We will explore how West 5 integrates solar energy, smart grid thinking, walkability, mixed-use planning, community programming, local business activity, and continuous learning from one building phase to the next. We will also ask what other communities can learn from this model, not by copying it exactly, but by understanding the principles that make it work. Because the future of sustainability will not be decided only in boardrooms, climate summits, or academic debates. It will be decided in places like this, in how we build, how we live, how we gather, how we spend, how we move, how we power our homes, and how we design communities that are resilient enough and human enough for the generations that follow. I am exceedingly grateful for the grace and hospitality of Mr. Nick Cavalieri, who is the manager of building assets at Sifton Properties. So let's dive in.